What's up, guys? Welcome to another week episode of Prep, Cook, Plate, Repeat. This week's episode, we're making eggplant caprese, fried eggplant, marinated tomatoes, sliced mozzarella, all the goodness on one plate. Let's get to it and show you how we're going to do it. First thing we need is eggplant. We're going to cut and trim this little piece right here and cut that right off, keeping the skin on. Now, we're going to cut from here down. We're going to make about 1/2 inch thick cuts straight down. Like just like that. Beautiful. Now the way we're going to present this is like a little tower. We're going to stack everything up. Make it look really, really pretty. Alrighty. So now we're going to kind of use the pieces, just like here, the nice rounder pieces that are kind of all full. Okay, next thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to make a standard breading station, which is flour, eggs, and breadcrumbs. So I got here some unseasoned breadcrumbs that we're going to season. First, let's crack our eggs. Right in. We got 3 eggs here. Just like that. I'm going to whip them up the old-fashioned way. We're going to beat them. We're just beating that albumin, which is the white part, and we're incorporating it with the egg yolk. Just going to whip that up, incorporating air. Just going to make it fluffy and not dense. Almost there. Yep. There it is. Beautiful. Next thing we're going to want to do, put this to the side. We want to salt our flour. You need to make sure you have seasoning in every step of the way here. Your flour is seasoned, your egg is seasoned, your breadcrumbs are seasoned. Let's take that. Beautiful. That's good. Egg, we're going to hit it with some black pepper. Nice amount. And I got some pecorino romano here that we're going to put right inside. That's going to give us a little nuttiness. Just whip that. Mix everything together. Beautiful. Alrighty. Next thing, we're going to season the breadcrumbs. Nice pinch of salt. Nice pinch of black pepper. Right in. Our Parmesan cheese, our pecorino romano here. A little bit more. Beautiful. Now here I got a little bit of garlic powder. Probably about 1/2 teaspoon. I got some oregano here, same thing. 1/2 teaspoon right in. Beautiful. Mix that in there. Get in there with your hands. Break up those little pieces of Parmesan. And then last, I'm going to take some fresh herbs. I got some parsley here. And we're just going to chop some parsley up nicely. And we're going to mix that into our breadcrumb mix to give it a little freshness to that breading. Quick chop. Beautiful. Right inside. Alright, let's mix all that up. Beautiful. Smells nice. Alright, now let's get our station ready. We got our flour, we got our egg, and we got our breadcrumb. We got our eggplant. All we're missing now is a little roasting rack. Just keep everything tight and together. What you're going to do is you're going to take your eggplant right into the flour. Dredge off any extra flour right into the breadcrumb. Right into the egg mixture. Just like that. Any excess egg, take right off. And then right into our breadcrumb mix. Press it down hard. Flip it over. Press it down one more time. And I kind of put that breadcrumb right on top of it. Kind of sink it in there. And then take your hand and press that breadcrumb into it nicely. Do it one more time. Beautiful. That's what you're left with. Nice piece of eggplant. Not so much breading on it. So it's nice and crispy when it comes out. We're going to bread all these up and we'll be right back to do the next step. Alright guys, so our eggplant is all breaded. We got that to the side. Next thing we're going to do is work on our tomatoes. We're going to core the center out. Just like that. Pop it right out. Now we're going to make the same exact size cuts that we did with the eggplant. I want everything about the same here. Just like that. Beautiful. Nice. We'll keep these 4 right here. They're nice and pretty. Alright, we're going to take a little bowl. We're going to go olive oil. Salt. Some pepper. A little bit of oregano. And a little bit of balsamic vinegar. Just a touch. Just like that. Beautiful. Take that. Give it a good mix. Make sure the salt and everything else is in there. Really nice. Make sure they're nice and marinated. Beautiful. That looks nice. That's got a lot of flavor. Next thing we're going to do is slice our mozzarella. Mozzarella in hand. Ready to go. Here I got a ball of mozzarella. You can get a log if you like. You can even get these sliced if you want to make it easier for you if you're hosting people or if you just don't want to feel like cutting. They give you options at the store. Okay. Let's give it a little wipe. Just got regular standard mozzarella cheese here. Just going to give it a nice cut. Right down. Beautiful. Same size. Wonderful. That's good mozzarella cheese. I'm going to take this. We're going to salt it just a little bit. Just a touch. This already has salt from when they made it. A little bit of pepper on both sides. Touch of olive oil. Beautiful. I'm going to keep that to the side. We're going to give it a little clean over here. We're going to come back. We're going to fry these eggplants. Alright guys, so mozzarella's ready. Tomatoes are marinating. These bad boys are ready to be fried. We're going to go right in, medium-high heat. Not super high. 1 eggplant. 2 eggplants. Most I'm going to go is 3. Don't want to overcrowd the pan because then the heat goes down and we start steaming them instead of giving them color. We're going to fry these bad boys probably about 3 to 4 minutes. About 4 to 5 minutes on one side. About 4 on the other side. So I'm going to be right back. Alright guys, these eggplants just about ready to be turned. See that color right there? That's what you're looking for. Nice, beautiful brown color. Flipping right over. Oh yeah. We're going to let it go for about another 3 minutes on this side. And then when we come back, we're going to plate everything up. When these are done, just make sure you land them on paper towel on a plate so it catches all the excess grease. And you're good. You don't even have to salt it because that has a good amount of salt inside of it. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, now the fun part. We plate everything up. We got our eggplant fried. We got our mozzarella sliced. We got our tomatoes sliced, marinated, ready to be eaten. First thing we're going to do is our nice, beautiful, crispy eggplant right in the center of the dish. Then we're going to add some tomato here that we sliced. Beautiful piece of mozzarella cheese right on. We're going to repeat the process. Beautiful. Nice piece of tomato, mozzarella, and we'll do one more stack. Mozzarella cheese. Oop, it's alright if it falls. Oh, excuse me. Tomato, then mozzarella cheese. Get excited. Beautiful. Clean the plate up a little bit. I fried off some basil leaves as garnish to put around. Nice little crunchy texture. Put one on top. We're going to garnish with a little bit of olive oil. Right on top, just like that. And a little bit drizzle of some balsamic vinegar here. Just like that. Around the plate. Beautiful. Top that off with a touch of salt. And a little bit of black pepper just so you can see it nice. There you go. Simple, elegant, easy, delicious eggplant caprese. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. Thanks for watching this week of Prep, Cook, Plate, Repeat. See you next time.